Well, South Florida leaders, Caribbean officials, and disaster relief groups meet at a summit today in Doral to kick off hurricane season.
Mayors, utility companies, and disaster response groups met to talk about how to handle another active hurricane season and improve regional coordination. The goal is to be ready in advance, positioned to respond immediately when a storm hits.
At GEM, our main objective here is to really be ready in advance, right? This is the name of the game, is being pre-positioned. And you could see this warehouse here, which holds roughly 3,000 pallets.
GEM has delivered over $756 million in aid across 77 countries and all 50 states. Last year, GEM helped rebuild in Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa.
And this Saturday, CBS Miami and GEM, also known as the Global Empowerment Mission, will pass out free hurricane supplies at locations in Miami-Dade and Broward counties. You can pick them up at Antioch Missionary Church in Miami Gardens and also at Harris Field Park in Homestead. And in Broward, you can go to Amarat Bank Arena in Sunrise and Vincent Torres Park in Lauderdale Lakes. To see all the locations, just go to cbsmiami.com.